Counterbalance is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of counterweights to balance heavy loads. This service is commonly used in the production of heavy machinery, such as cranes, forklifts, and other industrial equipment. The purpose of counterbalance is to ensure that the machinery operates safely and efficiently, without tipping over or causing damage to the surrounding environment. Counterbalance is a critical service in the manufacturing industry, as it helps to prevent accidents and injuries in the workplace. By using counterweights to balance heavy loads, manufacturers can ensure that their equipment operates smoothly and safely, without putting workers or the surrounding environment at risk. This service is particularly important in industries where heavy machinery is used on a regular basis, such as construction, mining, and manufacturing. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom industrial equipment. As a leading provider of industrial machinery and equipment, Berkness Company understands the importance of counterbalance in the manufacturing industry. The company offers a range of counterbalance services to help ensure that their equipment operates safely and efficiently, including the use of counterweights, hydraulic systems, and other advanced technologies. If you are interested in learning more about counterbalance and how it can benefit your manufacturing operations, Berkness Company is here to help. The company's team of experienced professionals can provide you with expert advice and guidance on how to implement counterbalance solutions in your workplace. To learn more about this service and how it can benefit your business, visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website today. FAQs. 1. What is a counterbalance in manufacturing? A counterbalance in manufacturing refers to a weight or force that is used to balance or offset another weight or force. It is commonly used in machinery and equipment to ensure stability and prevent tipping or overloading. 2. How is a counterbalance used in manufacturing? A counterbalance can be used in various ways in manufacturing, such as in cranes, forklifts, and conveyor systems. For example, in a forklift, the counterbalance weight is added to the rear of the vehicle to offset the weight of the load being lifted, ensuring stability and preventing tipping. 3. What are the benefits of using a counterbalance in manufacturing? Using a counterbalance in manufacturing can provide several benefits, such as improved safety, increased efficiency, and reduced wear and tear on equipment. By ensuring stability and preventing overloading, a counterbalance can help prevent accidents and injuries. It can also improve the speed and accuracy of operations by allowing for smoother and more controlled movements. Additionally, by reducing the strain on equipment, a counterbalance can help extend the lifespan of machinery and reduce maintenance costs. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.